Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Mazda CX-9 luxury. Stock reference number 4712. This shape runs from the 12th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end with the left power door mirror, heated type. Left rear door has multiple small dents. Left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate has 6 small dents. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with a tow bar cutout. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, modular and less neck. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has a couple of small dents and a scrape dent. Right front door has a couple of small dents and a light fold on the rear edge. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. Driver side door trim, tan leather type. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with a tan cream leather interior. Single type center console. Automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls. Interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass and sunroof type. Left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.